Hello everyone, welcome back to MakeMoneyBlueprint.com podcast. And this is your favorite host, Billy. In this channel, we're focusing on bringing you the best business idea that'll generate more income into your bank account. So if you are new here, hit the like button for your favorite host and hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss any single one of these life-changing ideas. And while you were here on YouTube, might as well hit the bell notification for your YouTube to alert when we're posting new content. Don't think too much now. You'll end up benefiting more from this information we're about to share. So you're wondering, how cool will it be if you can make money by searching the internet? Okay, so for today we have 6 ways to make money by searching the internet. So if you do your research, which is listening to this video from beginning to the end, you'll find out there are many ways to make money searching on the internet. Some are easy, which some still are a little bit tricky. And just when you think that you have figured all out the best way to earn money, it can change in the blink of an eye. Because of the rapid increase in technology that you can earn money online, there are new methods, techniques to make money on the internet every day. So make sure you subscribe to this channel to not miss out. So you need to find proven ways that can work for you. Did you know that you can make money by searching the internet? Yes, you can, and it's super easy, and we'll go through it in this blog today. So these are the top companies that will pay you to search the web. There are countless other ways to make money online by searching the web, but today we'll be going over just 7 of them. Number 1, Swagbucks. So what is Swagbucks? It's basically the most popular way to get paid searching on the web. You can acquire Swagbucks, quotes, which is the currency, by doing tasks such as surveys, stopping, watching video, and searching on the internet. The website is very easy to navigate. You can earn cash and gift cards with Swagbucks. So I know people, a friend of mine have been using Swagbucks on and off since 2013 and make some extra money. It's something that anybody can do. For instance, you can do some of the tasks during your lunch breaks. You can also do some tasks when you're bored at home from time to time. One of my favorite ways that you can make money with Swagbucks is by watching videos. So there are different categories you can watch, such as sports, fitness, and food. Swagbucks have videos for everyone. The lowest amount of cash you can receive is around $25. You can get paid by redeeming 2,500 Swagbucks. They pay you the money via PayPal. You can get cash in quantities of 25, 50, 100, or 250. So Swagbucks has a couple ways that you can earn more points. For example, you can get a $5 bonus for referring friends, and if they're very active on Facebook or Twitter, you should also follow their social media handle, which is Swagbucks. They also post swag codes which worth different amounts to help you earn more points. It's an easier way for you to make more money with the program. So number 2, Inbox dollars. So Inbox dollar is the most reliable ways to make money searching the web. The way that it works is that advertisers pay Inbox dollar to promote their site's members. Then Inbox dollar offer a portion of their profit in exchange for visiting the websites or signing up. They not only pay you to search the internet, they also pay you to read emails, sign up for offers, and leave reviews. Joining Inbox dollar is free. It's a great way to earn money online. And the best thing is that they give you $5 to sign up. Inbox dollar require you to gather at least $30 before you cash out. They have offer a ton of addition to internet and searching thing. So they have a variety of things that they offer. It makes it really easy for you to get the first $30 to cash out. Number 3, mobile expression. So as mobile expression uses member internet search to give feedback to companies. What is the goal? It's to understand the trend and pattern affecting the mobile internet better. Using your phone to make money with mobile expression app is fairly simple. Once you install on your phone, all you have to do is, that's all you have to do. Then you have your phone to search like normally you would. As a result, the company will send you gift card to Amazon for assisting them. In addition, you get entered into their sweepstakes. They give away anywhere from 100 to 100,000 in sweepstakes contests. The more you search, the more sweepstakes and entries you get. Later on, we'll have a video about ways you can make money with sweepstakes, and it's gonna be some pretty amazing way that's pretty entertaining, as well as making you extra money that you wouldn't think of. So make sure you hit the subscribe button on the channel. And also, I like to support the channel. Number 4, Honey. The Honey app is a browser extension. As you know, it's pretty much like a discount, a coupon extension code that is very popular today. PayPal bought it. So let's say you are searching for internet for shopping deals. Actually, with a checkout, just click on the Honey button on your device. Honey will automatically pay you and lower your price if it finds a discount. Also, this app will pay you in points whenever you shop online, so you can use the points to get gift card from Honey. With all these recommendations, we also have a blog in our description for you to come back and check. Number 5, QMe. QMe is a very popular website which give people a chance to earn money. It is a free shopping tools and cash reward apps that allow people to make quick money. First, you need to install the app, then it will show results on the left side of your browser. So simply click on the result that interests you and earn cash. QMe has additional advertiser and has built a network of companies. It is good for someone who is looking for the lowest price in particular products, and it's good for those who want to earn extra money. This app will give you reward if any of the result interests you. You just have to click on it to earn your reward. To be sure, you won't get rich using QMe, but you can make enough money to pay a bill or pay down a little bit of debt. QMe works with several companies such as Walmart, Yahoo, Best Buy, eBay, and Google. So if you frequently shop online, QMe should be something that you should check out. I said it earlier, it's free and it doesn't require any extra time. Number 6, Microsoft Reward. So this one comes as very surprising. Microsoft Reward, just like Bing Reward, it will enable you to earn points for searching with Bing. You can earn points in more ways, like when you are browsing the web or when you shop at a Microsoft or Windows store. You simply need to remain signed in your Microsoft account. Microsoft Reward are a very easy way to earn money from searching online. You just need to sign up to Microsoft Store to earn great reward. Also, gain at least 1 point for each $1 spent on the Microsoft Store. You will recover your point or discount at the Microsoft Store or use them to get free game, music, or movie. The more you use or purchase Microsoft items, the more freebies you get reward in return. So in summary, you can see that there are ways you can make money online by searching the internet, which you do every day, probably for free. But there's ways in Swagbucks, QMe, Inbox Dollar, Microsoft Reward, just a few that you can consider. So next time, if you are having something to search for, try one of our recommendations. We'll have it in the blog in the description below. Thank you for being with me to the very end. If you like this video and I want to say thank you for the information, please leave us more likes. We will always find and search out these information and bring it to you, our viewer. So please, and don't remember to subscribe. You don't want to miss what's coming next. See ya. So we are done with today's podcast, but this is not yet goodbye. I'll see you on the next one. If you like my voice or the info we gave, we have more ideas on the next video. Just click on it and keep listening. The more information you can gather in the quickest time will end up benefiting you. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. Make sure to make it a habit to search for information and ideas. To stay motivated, I will put myself in a situation like this. Don't think too much. Just keep searching for info, keep listening, and you already win half the battle. Billy.